Hi guys, so I tried this most amazing viral drink that actually makes you lose weight and is amazing for your gut. And I tried it and it works. So I want to share it with you. It's pretty awesome. So all you need for this drink, and I simplified it because I don't have time to, spend 10 minutes to make this. So you would literally make it in 5 seconds and it still works. It's still the same. So all you need for this healthy gut drink is flax seeds, ground flax seeds, black chia seeds if you can get the ground ones, or if you can buy the whole ones and ground them yourselves. And if you don't have time to do that, like me, just use them as is. Some almond milk, get it sweetened, unsweetened, up to you. Unsweetened is better, right? And then some water. So all I do every day before bed is I put 2 big spoonfuls of flaxseed in my glass. So that's flaxseed. And I do the same with chia seed. If you have more time, you can make it fancier. 2 spoons of chia seeds. Now these are superfood, guys. It's good for your skin, eyes, and you'll know. Have this drink for a week and thank me later and tell me how it was. And then you just put some water in, just half a cup, and then put it in your fridge for an hour overnight. But you can, in an hour, the flax seed and the chia seed kind of absorb the water and you're ready to eat it. And then just put in your milk and that's it. Just have this drink every day. I'm telling you, it's a game changer. You love this. Let me know, what do you think about the chia seed smoothie that we made today, and how did it help you lose weight and amazing for your gut? Let me know. Bye.